Hello, it's Amia Renee, and I just took out my passion twists. I had them in for 4 weeks. You can see the buildup around my edges. I'm going to show you what I do to cleanse my hair after having that protective styling. So, I use African Pride, the pre-shampoo, and I love this product. It saves my life. When I used to take my hair out of a protective hairstyle, oh my gosh, combing my hair would hurt so bad. I would have to put so much conditioner in, a lot of water, try to comb real gentle, try to get the knots or the shed hair out, and it would hurt so much. So when I found this pre-shampoo, this is the best thing ever. So it has aloe vera, which my hair loves, water, and it has a good slip in it, and coconut water. So the product, let me show you. It's really like a jelly type. Rake the product through my hair. I'm not even trying to detangle or anything. I'm just coating the product through the section all the way down to the end. Make sure it's nice. A nice amount is on my hair. Okay, so I feel like the whole section is completely drenched in the product. So now I would just finger detangle a little bit my root area that had all that white buildup, and rake it all the way through. So when I went to the beauty supply store to purchase this product, it was a sales lady in there promoting the product, and she was like, if you buy one product, you'll get the African Pride comb and this bonnet to put on your hair, like a heating bonnet. It says soft bonnet dryer attachment. So okay, I just brought one product, which was the pre-shampoo, and when I first used it, I fell in love with it. So I went back and grabbed other products from the line. So I brought the coconut. This is coconut milk and honey leave-in conditioner. It smells so good. It's lightweight. I love the way coconut feels in my hair anyway. So these are the only two products I ever tried. So I said, why not grab almost everything from that line and try it. So, but also the young lady gave me some free samples. This is the shampoo, their shampoo, and a curling cream. The curling cream says it has shea butter and flaxseed oil. So I said, you know, I make my own shampoos. I have so many of them, so I didn't want to buy a shampoo. So that was great that she gave me a sample of the shampoo. Then I brought, it's a honey chocolate, a coconut oil conditioner. And I'm excited to try this one out. That one is a mask. So this is the Moroccan clay and shea butter detox and soften heat activated mask. So I'll use this with the little bonnet package, little heated bonnet that they gave me. And then another, this is a cream leave-in conditioner. So I'll be trying out all the products, and I'll let you guys know throughout the video how I like it. See, my hair is already detangled. Nice and easy to detangle. I do have the wide tooth comb if I want to, you know, rake through it. And that's it. I never found a product to have my hair feeling so soft and hydrated and detangled after running a protective hairstyle. That was super easy. Okay, so now this is my hair with only just the pre-shampoo. My hair is nice to tangle, easily right through. And it has my curls. Can you see this? It has my curls nice and shiny and popping. Alright, so now I'm going to go and shampoo my hair. Hopefully this is enough because I didn't buy any. But with this little pack of shampoo, so it has honey and coconut oil. It says Nourish and Shine Shampoo, hydrating, elongates natural curls and curls, sulfate free and color safe. So I'll be back after I shampoo my hair. But I absolutely love this pre-shampoo. So if you have not tried it, I definitely would recommend you trying it, especially after taking out a protective hairstyle. So my hair is freshly shampooed. I really like the shampoo. It felt like it would cleanse my hair, but it didn't strip my hair. My hair still felt moisturized and smelled really good. Alright, so now on to the conditioner. So this is the honey chocolate and coconut oil. Nourish and Restore conditioner. It helps to repair and replenish moisture to natural curls and curls. It's sulfate free and color safe. Like chocolate pudding. Okay, now that that's out the bottle, I can smell chocolate. It's not strong at all though. This is thick. I almost feel kind of sticky. Alright, so let me go ahead and do the rest off camera. Rinse it out and I'll be back. And I just washed the chocolate conditioner out. I didn't care for that too much. My hair, we try to detangle my hair with a conditioner in, which is crazy to me. Usually conditioners have a great slip to it and I could detangle my hair, but it was too sticky and I felt like my hair was more moisturized after the shampoo, not the conditioner. It feels a little more brittle. Yeah, I just didn't care for that, so I definitely wouldn't get that again. So the next product from the African Pride line I'm going to try is the mask. So this product I'm excited to try. This one is the Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Hair Activated Mask. And it says it's for natural curls and curls. So let's see. It's really thick, like a thick consistency. Have water, so I like my hair to be really drenched when I put a conditioner in. And then I'm not by the sink, I'm going to just wet it. I'm back with the clay in my hair. I'm going to put this plastic cap on. It says cover with a plastic cap and sit under a hooded dryer for up to 15 minutes. Or cover with a plastic cap and warm towel and let sit for up to 30 minutes. So I'm going to use the soft bonnet, so that should be 15 minutes. This is my first time trying a soft bonnet too. I never used one of these little things before. Let me turn this. It's like it's about to fly off my head. Wait a minute, let me make some adjustments. Try it again. To work. Maybe I put it on medium. I don't think I like this. Let me put it under my ears. You know what? I tried. No, I don't like that. So I'm gonna grab my pink heating cap. All right, so I have my little heating cap. This is super old. Been in my family for years. So I just turned it up too high and I was sitting here for 20 minutes. Because this little thing right here is a waste of money. I'm glad I didn't pay for it. I'm glad it was just a little free sample they gave me because I would have been upset. Maybe I'm using it wrong. I don't know, but it was, no. Stick to Old Faithful. Just good old heating cap. Set my timer and I'll be back. Right, so I sat under here for 20 minutes. I'm gonna rinse this out and I'll be back to give you guys the final review of all of the African products that I used today. So I'm back for the final time. Ooh, this video took a long time to make. For like hours. But anyway, I washed the mask out my hair. My hair feels good. Moisturized, detangled, soft, easy to manage. So out the products that I used today, the shampoo I like. Of course the pre-poo, I love that one. Shampoo, I like that one. The chocolate conditioner, I didn't care for that. It felt like it was too sticky and it wasn't easy for me to detangle my hair. And the mask, it's okay. I probably have to use it a couple more times to see how I really feel about it. But now my hair is nice, moisturized, and looks a whole lot different than what it looked like before when I took out my passion twist. So this is my hair care maintenance after taking out a protective hairstyle. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching as always. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.